Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. I'm Rishikesh. So, as usual, before I get you key levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow, that is 10th of July, let me take you directly to my screen and see how the key levels for today, that is 9th of July, have panned out. So, let me share my screen. Yes, I think you can see my screen. Yes. So this is the performance of today's key levels. So see these key levels, as you can see, I'm using the combined view of monthly, weekly, and then daily key levels. Okay, these blue key levels, these are the monthly key levels. If you can go to my monthly key level series, you would find these key levels in that series for the month of July. These red key levels are weekly key levels for this week, that is week starting from what, 6th of July. So these are these key levels. If you can go to my weekly key level series, you will find in the latest video these key levels given for the Nifty. And then these purple key levels, these are the daily key levels. So daily key levels will change daily. Weekly key levels will be reshuffled on weekly basis, and the blue key levels, that is monthly key levels, will be reshuffled on monthly basis at the end of the month or expiry of the month. So this is how today panned out. Okay, so this was yesterday's movement. I told you the market closed yesterday below the weekly key level. Nifty 50 closed yesterday below weekly key level, and then these purple key levels were the key levels for today. Now the support, you can see market opened at this red weekly key level, went up, and then it tried to stay above 23,945 weekly key level, thus respecting 23,910 also. Okay, so this is the performance of Nifty today, and same goes for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, you see market have closed yesterday below, way below weekly key level, and today you see the market taking resistance at this weekly key level. Just let me draw here. Yes, you can see right here, this is the support taken at weekly key level. So if you, the reason I'm giving you this weekly and monthly key level and along with daily key level, this combined view, is because if you see overshooting or undershooting of price beyond or, you know, beyond or just shy of daily key levels, then you refer to the higher time frame, weekly key levels. Okay, at the start of the week, you see where the price is with respect to the monthly key level. Okay, so if you see overshooting of price beyond weekly key levels, then just see if there is a weekly key level nearby or monthly key level nearby. Okay, and you will get the larger view, larger picture will be clear. This is 1,000 feet bird eye view, right? So this is what the performance of today. Let me get you the key levels for tomorrow. So this is for Bank Nifty. You can see Bank Nifty is below the weekly key level. Just keep this in your mind. 57,500 along with these daily key levels 57,310, 57,130. You can refer these key levels for intraday, and then for closing you can use 57,500. Just check whether whether the price is closing below or above, closing above or below 57,500. But for tomorrow, these purple key levels are the daily key levels, that is 58,430, 57,840, 57,310, 57,130, and then we have 55,920, right? So if you see the price extending beyond the daily key levels, just go one time frame up and see the support or resistance at weekly key levels. This is Nifty. Yes, so let me just delete this. You don't need this. This is what I use for my intraday trading, personal trading. Today was sideways market clearly, except this last some candles. So anyways, so you see these are the daily key levels. See the cluster of these key levels: 23,940, 23,910, and then 23,920. This zone here is forming the strong support. Okay, and that also at the weekly key level. So this multiple conditions satisfying will be the confluence, point of confluence, or you can call this as support of confluence or line of confluence. Okay, so this is the multiple condition satisfying, lower and as well as upper. So this market dropped below weekly key level, but then it is trying to take support. Today we see it is trying to take support at weekly key level, just above weekly key level. We still have one day, so it will be interesting to see whether the market closes below this weekly key level. If this weekly key level is breached, you can be sure that market will breach all of these three daily key levels along with that. So below we have 23,350. I don't have data for this, or there is a gap, I think that's why there is no data. Yes, see right here there is a gap, that's why. So maybe market will go to fill up that gap also. Okay, and yes, and also along with that, yes, 23,940 is also a monthly key level. So now you see 24,430, 23,945, and 23,205. These key levels are aligning with monthly key levels. That is for this week, because this is the first week. Okay, so these key levels, red key levels, will be changed at the end of this week. Okay, and you will clearly see the monthly key levels and weekly key levels at distinct positions. So that's it. So that is it. And also keep in mind, when the market is, breaching above monthly key level, along with that, if the market is closing above weekly key level, and then if the market is at on the weekend, that is Friday, is closed above daily key level also, in Monday you can expect huge momentum, whether in terms of gap up or whether in terms of intraday range. Okay, so that's it from my side today. I'll see you tomorrow.